I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video for Wednesday, the 25th day of November. Many people say this is the busiest travel day of the year, and the good news, the weather is nice and quiet for much of the nation. Let's take a look with our Skycam network. Look at downtown Clanton. Looks like they've got their big Christmas tree out down there in the lower right. As things are beginning to look a lot like Christmas around the state, the sky is mostly fair. Hey, Demopolis, you know what's coming up there? A week from this weekend is Christmas on the River, one of the biggest holiday events in the Southeast. All the activities there kick off early next week, and that's always a lot of fun. And from Tuscaloosa, looks like the sky nice and clear. See a star up there. Well, there's our water vapor satellite shot. You can see a trough rotating through here, and that's going to push the clouds out and give us a nice day today. Surface chart showing that front coming through a little earlier this morning. And looks like we'll enjoy a good supply of sunshine today with a pretty comfortable afternoon. And there's a look at temperatures this morning. Notice how Muscle Shoals is down to 42 as the cold air moves into northwest Alabama. I say cold, cooler air. But still, it's, again, going to be a very comfortable day today with highs up in the low and mid-60s. But tomorrow will be colder. There's a look at the QPF chart, rain for the next 5 days, and this is suggesting not very much around here, really none. This is valid through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock. And the big event for us will be just after this period, Monday of next week. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is the 06Z run at noon today at 500 millibars. This is about 18,000 feet up, and you can see a strong vortex around Kansas City. And that's going to be sharpening up the trough, and that will deliver some noticeably cooler air tomorrow. But again, today will be nice. Lots of sun with highs between 60 and 65. And again, that's your travel weather. If you're headed out today, really the wettest weather in the country will be over the Florida Peninsula down around Miami. A few snow showers around the Great Lakes, maybe a rain shower for places like Indianapolis. But again, nothing to hamper any travel. Thanksgiving Day tomorrow, there's the trough sharpening up, and it's going to be progressive. It's just not going to sit there. It's going to sharpen up and move out, so it'll be a quick hit. There's the surface chart, the 540 thickness line down to Birmingham. Pretty good cold air advection, so highs tomorrow will be 10 degrees cooler. We'll struggle to reach the low and mid-50s, but the sky should be mostly sunny. Friday, we'll start the day around freezing, but we'll warm up into the mid-50s, a cool day, a great day for the Iron Bowl. Auburn, Alabama, at Jordan-Hare Stadium. Should be sunny, low 50s at kickoff, 40s by the fourth quarter as the sun goes down. And Saturday, kicking off the rest of the weekend. Again, look at that. Much of the country just very quiet. And around here, that's going to be a beautiful day. Sunny with highs up in the low and mid-60s. Sunday looks good, but yep, here comes our rain producer beginning to get his act together off to the west. And let's see how the GFS handles it on this run. Now, there's Monday, strong southwest flow aloft with a big trough off to the west, and down at the surface low is near Greenville, Mississippi, over in the Delta. This is midday Monday. And, you know, we've seen just all kind of looks. Every run looks different. Again, this is suggesting a slower arrival with the rain coming in really late Monday afternoon and Monday night. And that's probably correct with a trough like this. And, of course, let's go to Monday night and take a look at that. The surface low is deepening near Nashville, under 1,000 millibars. And, that would suggest maybe some strong storms. The runs we saw yesterday, we were in cool air, and that wasn't going to happen. Well, this looks like we might see a strong storm. But even with that look, as impressive as that looks, the matching instability values are not that impressive. And as I've said often, I'll say again, The modeling will have a very hard time with these systems days in advance like this. We really won't have a good grasp on the specifics until probably Saturday. So we'll just certainly mention a good chance of rain Monday and Monday night, maybe some storms involved. And then Tuesday, the surface low moves due north up to near Chicago. And the bulk of the rain is off to the east. That would be a cloudy and breezy and colder day. Wednesday of next week looks dry and cool a week from today. And then Thursday, the 3rd of December, trough sets up over really up and down the Mississippi River Valley, and that turns colder as cold air begins to flood much of the nation. Could be pretty cold. Remember, it's been awfully cold in Alaska. And again, obviously, way in advance. We're not going to know how cold. But the Arctic Oscillation is negative at this point, and we think it will be pretty cold out there. A week later, the 10th of December, how about that? Bowling ball-looking feature just north of us, and that looks really cold. But again, as we all know, this is pure voodoo out there. We're just peaking. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We will have notes on the blog. We're going to get down to the holiday schedule here, so just one video per day. Through Sunday, we'll get back on the regular two-a-day schedule. After the long holiday weekend, Monday of next week, we'll have, again, details over on the weather blog, AlabamaWX.com. And if you're sticking around local to us, just check us out on the news tonight. I'll be there, ABC 3340 at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday, and God bless.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.